Looking for fun things to do with family and kids at home, especially now that we're all home so much? Let's see if this Ankuka Karaoke Machine can help. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. I just love it when technology can help families spend more time together. Today, let's see if this Ankuka Karaoke Machine is such a tech. I was pleasantly surprised a few times by this one. Keep watching to find out why. When I saw this karaoke speaker on the website, with rolling wheels, a retractable handle and all, I was afraid that it would be too big and bulky. When I took it out of the box, pleasant surprise number one. It's not that big for a box with a loud 8-inch 40-watt speaker. It doesn't take up as much space as I thought, which is a good thing since I have a better chance of convincing my wife to keep it around. It's about 11 inches wide by 10 inches deep and 16 inches tall. The cabinet feels solid and weighs about 18 pounds, so these wheels in the back and the retractable handle come in handy when moving it around. You just roll it around like a suitcase. This machine is packed with features. There are many ways to play music. Under this digital display, there's a line-in USB jack, a SD and a TF card slot. With this mode button, you can select a source, either from a Bluetooth connected device like a smartphone or tablet, or from the line-in USB stick or the memory cards, or the FM radio. Yep, it even has an FM radio built in. In addition to playback, you can even record into the memory cards. Record, play, pause, fast forward, and rewind are controlled with these push buttons. There's even a mic priority button to mute the singing voice in the music so you can sing over it. Here's what the speaker sounds like. Good sound, and it can get pretty loud. The system comes with 2 wireless microphones. Each one takes 2 batteries that's not included. Once I put the batteries in and turn on the microphone, they just automatically connect to the speaker system. No other setup is needed. Great. While they're not the best quality or sensitive microphones, they work well as long as you sing into them closely. In addition to these 2 wireless mics, pleasant surprise number 2, the system has inputs for 2 additional wired microphones and a 5th input for an electric guitar or electric instrument. I can even use this speaker as a guitar amp in a pinch. Along with these inputs, the controls are all on the right side of the speaker cabinet. There are 3 rows of knobs. The first row has the volume, bass, and treble knobs for the speaker. The second row has the volume, bass, and treble knobs for the mics. And since it's a karaoke machine, on the third row, there are the echo and delay adjustment knobs for the mics. These can make even me sound better. Here's what the mic sounds like. I can add more echo and delay. By the way, the kids had a blast just playing around with these 2 knobs without any music. And this last knob is the volume adjustment for the guitar input. Another pleasant surprise is the speaker has a built-in battery. At first, I thought the supply power cord is too short. Then I realized it's only used to charge up the built-in battery. You don't need to plug it in to use the system. In fact, the manufacturer suggests not to use the speaker while charging the battery for battery longevity. On the bottom here, there is even a 12-volt battery input to charge it with a car battery. The machine's battery can last from 4 to 6 hours with a full charge. Last but not least is the cool Rgb light around the speaker and on the top of the speaker cabinet. Let me turn down the light and see if I can get this cool effect to come through. The lights actually changes color to the beat of the music. How cool is that? It's very bright and really brings out the party atmosphere. A few things to note. First is we have to provide our own music. There are many karaoke apps or free YouTube karaoke videos. I'll link a few below to get you started. For future products, I suggest making the control buttons bigger so they're easier to press. It'd also be great if these buttons or their labels can be backlit, since the lights are usually down when we party with the speaker system. Better yet, a remote in addition to these buttons would make it much easier to control the system. $499 US, this isn't cheap, but thankfully there are discounts offered from time to time. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Since this karaoke speaker arrived a couple weeks ago, the kids and we have had a blast with it. It has already brought our family a lot of fun and laughter. There's just something about music, singing into mics with echo and delays, and the cool lights that just bring party to the house. We still don't sound that good with this karaoke speaker system, but we surely had a lot of fun. And that makes this a good tech in my book. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share this video with others. Do Do leave me a comment below if you've also found good tech for the family. I'd love to try them out. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.
PJ Masks with a PJ Masks, PJ Masks with a PJ Masks.